Have you heard that New York City is waiting for you? And you have bought flight tickets and booked a hotel room? The big question is, are you certain that you are up to the challenge of a lifetime journey? Here I am going to exploit the 4 Amazon essentials that travelers will never miss for their New York City trips. Number 1. The Soul Companion. New York offers the walkers a golden chance to witness its ethereal beauty. The less comfortable shoes you pick, more are the chances of your feet's agony. In other words, you better use only the ones that your feet will thank you for. The Skechers Women's Go Walk Joy walking shoe represents an ideal case in point. Well, it has a memory foam sole layer, breathable fabric, and a good-looking design that shouldn't overweight your baggage. Number 2. The Portable Powerhouse. Picture this, you're just about to get the shot of the Empire State Building. You can't believe it. Power is out. That's how Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 PD come in handy for those reasons. Being sleek, lightweight, and powerful to charge your phone for the entire day makes it a needed device for your travels. The fact it may fit into your pocket or bag makes it very portable. Number 3. The MetroCard. Riding the subway of New York isn't just how you travel around the city. It's a journey that gives you the keys to every street of this amazing town. Plus, preparing with ordering your MetroCard before you leave home is another advantage you have here. Say goodbye to the miserable waiting in the train station line. Simply activate the app when you reach the station and start riding. Number 4. The Picture-Perfect Companion. However, the fact that a smartphone is so convenient does not speak of the qualities on an actual DSLR camera. The sky rows of photography opportunities that New York City provides is borderless, what with famous landmarks and monuments, and the city's obscure urban scene that preserve the street arts. A good quality camera will do the trick. Hence, one can play around adjusting its settings so that pictures can be amazing. This is necessary because it will capture the heart of the city using perfect shots. Neither your tripod is the mandatory thing to be brought along, but it is definitely the exciting one. Hence, you have these 4 tips that will take your New York City venture from average to rip-roaring. Putting on the correct shoes, a charger for your phone, MetroCard, and your DSLR camera. All the links are in the description box below. And don't forget to thumbs up. Subscribe my channel for more travel tips and tell me about your experience in New York City in the comment below.